Page 1. HDC-761E. 2.36 inch. Page 2. EN1. FCC statement. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. 1. This device may not cause harmful interference, and 2. This device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. Note: this equipment has been tested and found to comply with the limits for Class B digital devices, pursuant to Part 15 of the FCC rules. These limits are designed to provide reasonable protection against harmful interference in a residential installation. This equipment generates uses and can radiate radio frequency energy and, if not installed and used in accordance with the instructions, may cause harmful interference to radio communications. However, there is no guarantee that interference will not occur in a particular installation. If this equipment does cause harmful interference to radio or television reception, which can be determined by turning the equipment off and on, the user is encouraged to try to correct the interference by one or more of the following measures. Reorient or relocate the receiving antenna. Increase the separation between the equipment and receiver. Connect the equipment into an outlet on a circuit different from that to which the receiver is connected. Consult a dealer or an experienced radio/TV technician for help. Use of shielded cable is required to comply with Class B limits and subpart B of Part 15 of the FCC rules. Do not make any changes or modifications to the equipment unless otherwise specified in the manual. If such changes or modifications should be made, you could be required to stop operation of the equipment. Notice: if static electricity or electromagnetism causes data transfer to discontinue midway, fail, restart the application or disconnect and connect the communication cable, USB, etc. again. Page 3. EN2. Read this first. Trademark information. Microsoft and Windows are U.S. registered trademarks of Microsoft Corporation. Pentium is a registered trademark of Intel Corporation. Macintosh is a trademark of Apple Computer Incorporated. SD is a trademark. Other names and products may be trademarks or registered trademarks of their respective owners. Product information. Product design and specifications are subject to change without notice. This includes primary product specifications, software, software drivers, and users. Manual. This user manual is a general reference guide for the product. The product and accessories that come with your camera may be different from those described in this manual. This is due to the fact that different retailers often specify slightly different product inclusions and accessories to suit their market requirements, customer demographics, and geographical preferences. Products very often vary between retailers, especially with accessories such as batteries, chargers, memory cards, cables, pouches, and language support. Occasionally a retailer will specify a unique product color, appearance, and internal memory capacity. Contact your dealer for precise product definition and included accessories. The illustrations in this manual are for the purpose of explanation and may differ from the actual design of your camera. The manufacturer assumes no liability for any errors or discrepancies in this user manual. Page 4. EN3. Safety instructions. Read and understand all warnings and cautions before using this product. Warnings. If foreign objects or water have entered the camera, turn the power off and remove the battery. Continued use might cause fire or electric shock. Consult the store of purchase. If the camera has fallen or its case has been damaged, turn the power off and remove the battery. Continued use might cause fire or electric shock. Consult the store of purchase. Do not disassemble, change or repair the camera. This might cause fire or electric shock. For repair or internal inspection, ask the store of purchase. Do not use the camera in areas near water. This might cause fire or electric shock. Take special care during rain, snow, on the beach, or near the shore. Do not place the camera on inclined or unstable surfaces. This might cause the camera to fall or tilt over, causing damage. Keep the battery out of the reach of children. Swallowing the battery might cause poisoning. If the battery is accidentally swallowed, immediately consult a physician. Do not use the camera while you are walking, driving, or riding a motorcycle. This might cause you to fall over or result in traffic accident. Page 5. EN4. Cautions. Insert the batteries paying careful attention to the polarity, plus or, of the terminals. Inserting the batteries with its polarities inverted might cause fire and injury, or damage to the surrounding areas due to the battery rupturing or leaking. Do not fire the flash close to anyone's eyes. This might cause damage to the person's eyesight. Do not subject the LCD monitor to impact. This might damage the glass on the screen or cause the internal fluid to leak. If the internal fluid enters your eyes or comes into contact with your body or clothes, rinse with fresh water. If the internal fluid has entered your eyes, consult a physician to receive treatment. A camera is a precision instrument. Do not drop it, strike it, or use excessive force when handling the camera. This might cause damage to the camera. Do not use the camera in humid, steamy, smoky, or dusty places. This might cause fire or electric shock. Do not remove the batteries immediately after a long period of continuous use. The batteries becomes hot during use. Touching a hot battery might cause burns. Do not wrap the camera or place it in cloth or blankets. This might cause heat to build up and deform the case, resulting in fire. Use the camera in a well-ventilated place. Do not leave the camera in places where the temperature may rise significantly, such as inside a car. This might adversely affect the case or the parts inside, resulting in fire. Before you move the camera, disconnect cords and cables. Failure to do this might damage cords and cables, resulting in fire and electric shock. Page 6. EN5. Notes on battery usage. When you use the battery, carefully read and strictly observe the safety instructions and the notes described below. Use only the specified batteries. Avoid extremely cold environments as low temperatures can shorten the battery life and reduce camera performance. Therefore, NIMH rechargeable batteries are highly recommended. When you are using a new rechargeable batteries or rechargeable batteries that has not been used for an extended period of time, the battery that passed the expiry date is an exception. It may affect the number of images that can be captured. Therefore, to maximize its performance and lifetime, we recommend that you fully charge the battery and discharge it for at least one complete cycle before use. The batteries may feel warm after a long period of continuous use of the camera or the flash. This is normal and not a malfunction. The camera may feel warm after a long period of continuous use. This is normal and not a malfunction. If the batteries are not to be used for a long period of time, remove them from the camera to prevent leakage or corrosion and store them after no battery power is left. Stored for a long time in a fully charged condition, their performance may be impaired. Always keep the battery terminals clean. There is a risk of explosion if the batteries are replaced by an incorrect type. Dispose of used batteries according to the recycle instructions. We recommend charging the rechargeable batteries for 8 hours before the camera's first use. Page 7. Contents. EN6. Introduction. Package contents. Getting to know your camera. Front view. Rear view. Mode dial. LCD monitor information. 13. Preparing the camera. 13. Preparation. LED indicators and self-timer. Indicators. 15. Getting started. Turning the power on off. Choosing the screen language. Setting the date and time. Formatting an SD memory card or internal memory. 17. Photography mode. Shooting images. Setting image resolution and quality. Using the zoom function. Using the flash. Setting focus. 22. Capture mode. Burst. Auto bracket. Self-timer. Adjusting the exposure, EV. Compensation. Setting white balance. 25. Playback mode. The basics. Viewing images. Magnifying images. Thumbnail display. Slideshow display. Resizing an image. 28. Movie mode. Recording movie clips. Playing back movie clips. 29. Playback mode. Advanced features. Playing back still images / movie clips. On TV. Deleting images / movie clips. Protecting images / movie clips. Setting the DPO off. 34. Transferring recorded images and videos to your computer. 34. Downloading your files. 35. Editing software. Installation. 36. Using the digital camera as a PC camera. Step 1. Install the PC camera driver. Step 2. Connect the digital camera to your computer. Step 3. Run your application software, i.e. Windows Net Meeting. 38. Menu options. Camera menu. Movie menu. Playback menu. Setup menu. 46. Specifications. 47. Troubleshooting guide. 48. Possible number of recordable images. 49. Connecting to a PicBridge compatible printer, optional. Page 8. EN7. Introduction. Thank you for purchasing the new digital still camera. Equipped with a 7.0 megapixel CCD sensor, your camera delivers high quality, 3072x 2304 resolution images. Besides, for X digital zoom in conjunction with the 3x optical zoom permit zoom photography of up to 12x. Package contents. Carefully unpack your kit box and ensure that you have the following items. In the event that any item is missing or if you find any mismatch or damage, promptly contact your dealer. Common product components. Digital camera. User's manual. Software CD-ROM. Camera strap. Camera pouch. AB cable. USB cable. Batteries. Common, optional, accessories. SD memory card. Accessories and components may vary by retailer. Page 9. EN8. Getting to know your camera. Front view. 1. Shutter release button. 2. Mode dial. 3. Power switch. 4. Flash. 5. Self-timer LED. 6. PC/AV terminal. 7. Lens. 8. Microphone. Page 10. EN9. Rear view. 1. LED indicator. 2. Slash. Zoom in, telephoto, button. Slash. Zoom out, wide angle. Button. 3. Menu button. 4. Arrow button, up. Self-timer button. 5. Arrow button, right. Focus button. 6. OK button. Display button. 7. Strap holder. 8. Arrow button, down. Exposure compensation button. 9. Playback button. 10. Arrow button, left. Flash button. 11. Delete button. 12. Battery/SD card cover. 13. LCD monitor. 14. Tripod socket.